Hi guys, so today we will be connecting our Shopify store to our domain which we have on the cPanel. We do not have the access to hosting, we have the access to cPanel, so we will connect our Shopify store to the domain here. So let's start. Here we have our Shopify homepage. We will go to the settings, click on settings, then here click on domains. Now click on connect existing domain. Now here write the domain which you want to connect, which you have on the other hosting or you have on cPanel. Now click on next. As we enter the domain, it will automatically identify from which hosting it has. And you can also do it by logging in your hosting here and connecting it. But we will be doing by when like we are updating the DNS records manually from cPanel. So we have to do two things here. We have to change the type A records and we have to change the CNAME records in our cPanel settings. So let's go to our cPanel. This is the home page of our cPanel, and here we will scroll down to domains section. Yeah. Now here we will click on the zone editor. Here you can see your domain which you have bought from that hosting. Click on manage. Now click on the type A from here. Scroll down and find your domain. Here we can see our domain. So we will click on edit. Here on our Shopify settings, it says that 192.250.229.82. Yeah, this one is the current value, and now we have to change it with the new value according to Shopify. So click here and copy it, the new value. Go back to cPanel and select and change it, and then click on Save Records. You don't have to do anything else here. Here it is showing that successfully saved. So the other step is click on the C domain next to it. Here you can see your domain www.yourdomain.com. So I will be hiding the domain name because it is one of my client's domain. So some of the information is confidential. So I'll hide it. We have Now we have to click on edit. Here it is showing our previous current value, which is exactly as it is, and we have to change it with the new value. So we will go or we'll click on this to copy the new value shops.myshopify.com which Shopify provided us. We'll go back here, we'll select it and we'll paste the new value and we will save the records. It is successfully changed here. So let's get back to our Shopify and now click on verify and let's see. Yeah, here we can see domain added successfully and our domain has been added and it is verifying, so it will be verified soon. So that's it. That is how we can actually connect our Shopify store to a domain which we have on other hosting and specifically on from cPanel. Thank you. If you have any other questions, do let me know in the comments below, and do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.